All right, following our Rice Krispies, I'm grabbing 2 boxes of instant lemon pudding, and we're adding that right into our crock pot with our Rice Krispies. Next, we're gonna grab a bag of mini marshmallows, and we are just gonna put those right on top of our Rice Krispies and our pudding. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious treat in our crock pot. Let's make sure we get that whole bag of marshmallows in there. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look incredible?
Oh, that's so many marshmallows.
Yeah. Now I have 1 stick of butter melted, and we are just going to drizzle that right on top of everything. Oh yeah, put that whole stick in there, and I did grease my crock pot as well for extra protection. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on and pop this on low to let those marshmallows cook. All right, it's been 45 minutes on low. We're gonna go ahead and switch this off. Ooh, look how melty those marshmallows are. I'm gonna bring in a spatula and some butter pan. Oh, I can smell all the marshmallows and stuff. It smells so good. And we're gonna spray this so it doesn't stick. And then we're gonna give this a good mix. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these marshmallows aren't fully melted, but I did want to give it a good mix to make sure nothing burns. So we will probably actually turn this back on after we give this a healthy mix to ensure that all of our marshmallows have melted. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look incredible?
Oh, it smells good, babe.
And you cannot forget that we have that lemon pudding in there. That's just gonna add such great flavor to this. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so we gotta make sure we get every little corner scraped and scratched. So I would say cook this on low for about 30 minutes, give it a mix, and then let it cook on low for another 30 minutes, and then I think it's gonna be perfect. So let's pop this back on low and grab our lid. All right, this is ready, you guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. We can give it one more mix, but let's go ahead and turn this off. We're gonna do the same method with the spatula and the pan. Just give it one more good, oh my gosh, look how delicious that looks. Now that is some perfect Rice Krispie treats, but not your average Rice Krispie treats. These are lemon Rice Krispies.
I can smell the lemon too.
Oh my goodness, the best way to do Rice Krispie treats. Okay, let's go ahead and bring this back here. And we're gonna grab our 13 by 9, give it a little butter spray. Everything's better with butter.
That's for sure.
Perfect. All right, and babe, I'm gonna need some assists.
Oh, you need help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now get that all in there.
Let's do this. There we go. Now we're talking. Can I just launch you or?
Yeah. It's okay if it's a little messy. All good things are messy, right?
I get the top. Oh, I smell that lemon.
All right, that's probably good.
All right, yeah, we'll start with that.
Okay, let's go ahead and flatten this out so that we get some decadent, delicious Rice Krispie treats that we can just pop in the fridge to let harden. Obviously, they're a little soft right now. And you have to spray your spatula or else it will just keep sticking and you'll make a big mess and you won't be able to get that flattened look that you want for Rice Krispie treats.
I was hoping you would eat that one.
Oh, trust me, I'm gonna be eating plenty of these. This is my favorite way to do Rice Krispie treats, and you can add any pudding mix you like. I've done this with pistachio pudding, banana cream pudding. You can even try some cheesecake pudding. I think that would be incredible. Okay, now before we pop this in the fridge, I am gonna grab some melted white chocolate. Now this is optional, but I am gonna drizzle my white chocolate right on top because lemon and white chocolate doesn't get any better than that. Also, it just kind of makes them a little bit prettier. You could add some sprinkles if you're feeling festive, but I think I'm just gonna keep it with the white chocolate because it already has enough sugar without some sprinkles in there. Once we have a beautiful drizzle, we are gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 hour. All right, you guys, it is ready to dig in. Would you look at that?
Looks delicious, man.
It is thick. I might have cut too big of a slice, but let's go ahead and give it a try.
It's good.
That lemon flavor, incredible.